Today we're going to explore how to use Elementor. Let's dive in. First things first, let's get Elementor installed on your WordPress website. If you don't already have a WordPress website, you'll need to set one up first. Once your WordPress website is live, you can proceed with the installation. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins tab on the left sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor, and you'll see the Elementor Page Builder plugin. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate to activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll notice a new menu option called Elementor in your WordPress dashboard. There is a free version of Elementor available that gives you access to most of the basic design tools. However, for more advanced features such as Theme Builder, Pop-up Builder, and more advanced widgets, you can upgrade to Elementor Pro. To upgrade to Elementor Pro, simply go to elementor.com, purchase the plan that suits your needs, and then install the Pro version by uploading the Pro plugin in the WordPress dashboard. Once you've installed and activated Elementor, it's time to start building your pages. To get started, go to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Enter a title for your page, like Home or About Us, and then click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Now you're in the Elementor workspace where all the magic happens. The Elementor editor is a live page builder, meaning you'll be able to see your design updates in real time as you work. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Elementor panel, which contains all the widgets and tools you need to build your page. On the right side, you'll see the live preview of your page, and that's where you'll make all the design changes. The first thing you'll notice is the drag and drop editor. To add an element to your page, simply drag it from the left panel and drop it onto the page. You can add text blocks, images, buttons, headings, videos, and much more. Let's start by adding a heading to your page. To add a heading, drag the heading widget from the Elementor panel and drop it onto the page. You'll see a default text box appear. Click inside the box, and you can edit the text. Let's say you want to add a title like, Welcome to my website. Simply type that into the text box, and your page will update in real time. Next, let's customize this heading. On the left panel, you'll see a Style tab. Click on it, and you'll have options to change the font size, color, typography, and even add text shadows. You can use the slider to adjust the font size, or you can input a specific value. Let's increase the font size a bit for emphasis. You can also change the font family from the drop-down menu to give your text a unique look. You can also use the Advanced tab to add margins, padding, or even animations. For instance, let's add a little animation to this heading so it fades in when the page loads. Under the Advanced tab, go to the Motion Effects section and select Fade In from the animation drop-down. Now, when you preview the page, the heading will fade in smoothly. Let's move on and add another element to your page. This time, let's add an image. To do this, drag the image widget onto the page, and it will prompt you to upload an image from your computer or choose one from the WordPress media library. Once the image is added, you can resize it, align it, and customize it further using the same style and advanced tabs as before. Now that we've added some basic elements, let's talk about sections and columns, which are essential for creating a well-structured page. Elementor allows you to work with a flexible layout using sections and columns. A section is essentially a container for your content, and within that section, you can have multiple columns. To add a section, click on the plus button at the bottom of the page. You'll be prompted to select a structure for your section. You can choose from a single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, and so on. Once you select a structure, a new section will appear on your page. For example, let's add a 2-column layout. The left column can contain a text widget with information about your website, and the right column can contain an image widget. Simply drag a text widget into the left column and start typing your content. On the right side, drag an image widget and upload an image to complement the text. You can adjust the column width by hovering over the edge of the column and dragging it left or right to resize. This gives you full control over the layout of your page, allowing you to create dynamic and flexible designs. If you want to speed up the design process, Elementor offers templates and blocks. Templates are pre-designed pages or sections that you can insert into your design, and blocks are smaller, pre-designed sections, like hero sections, contact forms, or testimonials. To use a template, click on the folder icon located above the section you're working on. This will open the template library, where you can choose from a variety of ready-made designs. You can filter templates based on categories such as home, about, services, etc. Select a template you like and click Insert to add it to your page. Elementor will import the template, and you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Similarly, blocks are smaller design sections that you can use to add specific content types. For example, if you want to add a testimonial section, simply click on the Blocks tab in the template library. Search for testimonials and choose one that fits your style. You can then edit the text, images, and other elements in the block to match your branding. While the free version of Elementor is powerful, the Pro version unlocks even more features. Let's take a quick look at some of the advanced features that Elementor Pro offers. One of the key features is the Theme Builder. With the Theme Builder, you can design your entire WordPress theme, including headers, footers, and single post layouts. To access the Theme Builder, go to the Elementor menu in the WordPress dashboard and select Theme Builder. Here, you can create custom designs for various parts of your website, like the header and footer, without needing to touch any code. For example, let's design a custom header. Click Add New, select Header, and choose a structure. You can then customize it by adding your logo, navigation menu, and any other elements you want. Once you're happy with the design, you can set display conditions to specify where this header appears on your site, such as on all pages or only on the home page. Another great feature in Elementor Pro is the Pop-up Builder, which allows you to create customized pop-ups for lead generation, special offers, or promotions. To use the Pop-up Builder, go to Templates in the WordPress dashboard and select Pop-ups. Click Add New Pop-up. Design it with Elementor's drag-and-drop editor, and set up triggers for when the pop-up should appear, such as on page load or when a user scrolls down the page. Once you've designed and customized your page, it's time to publish your work. When you're happy with the design, click the Publish button at the bottom of the editor. Elementor will ask you if you want to publish the page immediately or save it as a draft for later. Once published, your page will be live on your website. To make changes to your site after publishing, you can simply go back into the Elementor editor, make the necessary adjustments, and click Update to save the changes. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial that your website looks great on smartphones and tablets. Fortunately, Elementor has a powerful mobile editing feature that allows you to customize your design for different devices. To switch to mobile view, click on the responsive mode icon at the bottom of the Elementor panel. From here, you can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. You can make device-specific adjustments, such as changing font sizes, hiding or showing specific elements, and rearranging sections to ensure that your website looks perfect on every device. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.